Okay, for our outing today, we decided to take Nala to PetSmart, and we're going to look at strollers for kitties and dogs,
She doesn't want to get out.
but she doesn't want to get out. Nala,
They have carts
this
here,
is
though.
a chance of a lifetime to go to PetSmart. Come on out. Come on. You'll love it. It'll smell like a smorgasbord of fish and hamsters and birds. It'll smell like dogs too, but you'll get over it. She's getting her harness on. Okay. She's not real happy about this.
Yeah.
Let's go give it a try. Okay, Nala, here you are at PetSmart.
You like birds outside. Look at the birds. No, look at the birds.
So they don't have strollers here. We're going to have to go somewhere else.
Look at the birds. See the birds in there?
Is
See the
that
birds?
cool or not?
Look
Not
at the
cool?
birds.
You want to see the hamsters? Hi, Nala. Are you shopping?
It is.
Here's what she likes. Oh, don't let her get in there.
Where are you going? She gonna sit back there?
You gonna live back there? Oh, yeah.
This fun.
She's getting used to it now. We took her to the right aisle. Uh-huh. Does that kind smell good? No, you don't want to hide under there. Good thing we're getting a new harness today. We're getting a harness that will fit her better and it's better quality. Oh, we want to get a new collar? Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh, the puppies gonna play.
No kitties probably, huh?
Look at it. Look at the puppies in there.
Oh, that puppy sees Nala. Really is. She sure wants to go underneath there, though. You should try that thing
Oh,
out.
look at this.
That looks like yours, except better. Oh, man, she could have fun on that. You should try that, Nala. She likes that, Jim. Hey. Hi. Hi there. Oh, it's okay. The doggies are down here. You don't want to go this way. Let's go this way. Away from the dogs. No,
You like it at the pet store, Nala? You're gonna hide inside of a litter box?
It's pretty cool. It's like an igloo. Anyway, she go.
You like those?
I think she's hiding. I know she's hiding. Nobody will see me in here.
Oh,
no. Look what you did, Jim. Wow. Nala did not do that. What did you do, Jim?
Now there's way too many on that one hand.
Wait, it's not your fault. It's because there are way.
Come on. Come on, Nala. Oh, come on. Sorry. Oh, no,
Not under the pickup.
no. Inside. Come on, little girl. Come on. Oh, wait, no. It's fun to get on there.
Was it fun?
Was that fun? Was that fun?
Pretty cool, huh, Nala? Uh-oh, Jim. She's making a move. Maybe she's just sitting up, but is she tied on? Oh, wait, now she's sitting back down.
That'd be a spot to hook on. Hey, Nala. You like your stroller?
She likes it. Let's shop some more. She's gonna beg to go shopping
That's it.
all the time.
Pushing your
She
cat.
likes it hole down here.
Hi.
Can you see the fish through there? I can't tell, but it kind of looks like she can see the fish.
Nala.
Oh,
Kitty cat.
this has been a bad enough day without that.
Yeah, what do you think about
insult.
this? What do you think about this,
What
kitty?
an insult.
Look at it, cat. Look at it.
That's just cruel.
likes it.
Oh, she's like, she's not fighting it. Oh, you're such a good sport. You watching the fish?